Hey everybody, today we've got the Milwaukee 2604-22, the cordless 18-volt hammer drill / driver kit. It's the M-18 fuel. This one comes with two 3-amp-hour batteries. We're going to unbox this drill and we're going to check it out. I bought this kit from Home Depot. The drill itself has a 5-year warranty. The batteries have a 3-year warranty. You can look at all the specs at MilwaukeeTool.com. This is the brushless model, and it's got the lithium-ion batteries, and the specs are great. This is a top-rated tool, so I'm really excited to open this one up, and I've been dying to take it out of the box, so I figured I'd roll this video and show the unboxing and an overview. Alright, this drill can handle a maximum of a 1/2-inch shank diameter, and it's got the red link plus intelligence and the power state brushless motor. 650 inch-pounds of torque, so I'm dying to use this drill. Let's open it up. This has got a really nice hard plastic case. Comes with it. It's got a big fat handle and two metal latches that secure the case lid. It's lockable. Two plastic hinges on the bottom. Open it up. It's a pretty tight fit. Got the charger, spare battery pack, the primary battery pack, the drill, and the torque handle. Inside the case lid is a instruction manual. This one is the operator manual for the drill itself. This manual here is for the charger and the battery packs. Here's the drill. It's pretty heavy. Get a nice strong arm when you're done working with this one. Let's see what else is in the box. Here goes the battery charger. This will do your 18-volt battery packs, but it'll also do your M12 battery packs there. It'll charge only one pack at a time. So either your 12-volt one or your 18-volt. And it's got a set of LED indicators to show you the charging status. It takes an hour to charge a 3-amp pack, half hour to charge the M12 12-volt pack. The spare battery pack is sealed up. It's got a fuel gauge on them, so you can see how much charge you have left. Here's the torque handle. This clamps onto the top of the motor housing of the drill. You can see that little dovetail clamp mechanism. Alright, let's check out the drill. Here's the Milwaukee M-18 2604-22 hammer drill driver. Feels really nice. Very solid feel to it. There's a little wiggle where the battery joins the bottom of the drill. That's really it. This chuck is actually steel. It's got a really gnarly grip to it. It goes clamping down. Got a nice feel, releasing, smooth. Let's take a look at the red lithium fuel gauge. Hit the button. Just tell me how much of a charge I have left. So out of the box, this has 2 bars. These lithium batteries don't give you any warning when they're getting low. They just shut off. Not like your old NiCads, which will just slowly kind of fade out. This one is all or nothing. Here in the base of the drill you can see the receiver port for a belt clip on the right and left side. Here we are looking at the top of the drill. You can see it's got 3 different modes on the clutch. It's got the hammer drill mode, it's got a driver mode, and a drill mode. Here's the gear selector switch. Right now it's in first gear. And you've got second, which is like, you know, your fast gear. You've got your slow, real ballsy gear there. So the clutch Here it goes from a rating of 2 all the way to 24. It's got like some thick grease on there right now. It'll wipe it off. That's nice. Now we're looking at the front of the drill. Right above the trigger is a nice LED light that'll light up your work surface. I haven't even pulled the trigger yet. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's a nice, real bright white LED. Stays on for a couple seconds after you press it, or quite a few seconds. The bottom of the battery pack has a nice rubber boot on it. Keep it from slipping and sliding. One thing I really like about this drill right off the bat is the way it's balanced. Especially with this heavy battery pack on the bottom, the drill isn't likely to tip forward. If you set it down on its base, you've got a long bit or a heavy bit sticking out the end. It's not going to tip forward and break your drill bit off. It always happens when you've got a lightweight drill, something you're using around the house, and you set that thing down and bam, your drill bit goes flying across the room in half. Let's take a look at the mechanics of the battery pack itself. Here goes the 3 amp hour 18 volt lithium polymer battery from Milwaukee, the M-18 red lithium. Fuel gauge on the front. It's a pretty hard button to press. Here is the electrical contact connectors. On the side of the battery, on the front, 2 buttons that correspond to the red locking tabs that hold this battery into the bottom of your drill. Hopefully those don't pop out. If you drop it, here's the base of the drill. You've got your electrical contacts that stick out, and your receiver for the mechanical red locking tabs. That feels nice. That's in low gear. Let's put it in high gear. There it is, the Milwaukee M-18 2604 cordless hammer drill driver. I can't wait to try this out in the field. I've got an audio-visual installation business and I'm running drills all the time. And oftentimes I've got to be in and out of a job. I don't have time to wait around for batteries to charge. So with 2 of these batteries on hand, it's really going to make a big difference. Here's the battery charger for the M-18 fuel packs, and also the M12 fuel packs right there. This one is set up for 120 volts AC input. The output is 12 to 18 volts at 3 amps. The tip here is an ungrounded yet polarized Edison connector. It's plugged in now, and there are no lights on. So let's slide a battery pack on and see what happens. Let's try it. Alright, the pack is in. We've got some indicator lights on now. This side of the 18 volt side has got 1 red LED on, and the battery pack itself, fuel gauge, is showing up at 2 bars and counting. The battery has now finished charging. There's a little bit of heat coming off this charger, but it's nothing major. Put the battery out here. Let's take a look at the fuel gauge. Bam! We got 4 bars, and we are ready to rock and roll. One thing I want to add about this charger, when you put a dead battery or an exhausted battery pack on here and you put it on, the only indication that you have it's charging is the red LED and the fuel gauge beginning to rise. When it's done charging, there's no alert, there's no sound. You're really going to have to come back and check this to make sure that it's done charging. I wish there was some kind of a beep or a little note or something. When I was selecting this drill, some of my friends and colleagues warned me. They're like, this new one might be really big. You might want to try to find a smaller drill. This one might not fit into your tight spots and stuff. I just want to point out the difference now between this new M-18 Milwaukee and my 18 volt Ryobi that I've been using for the last 7 or 8 years. You can see that the Milwaukee is quite a bit shorter. So I'd say it's a good maybe 2.5 inches shorter overall. And the Milwaukee's got the full-size battery pack. This Ryobi only has like the compact lithium pack on there right now. But my dilemma was, I'm down to one battery pack for the Ryobi. What I wanted to do, instead of getting into buying new battery packs for an 8-year-old drill, I chose to go ahead and start fresh with the Milwaukee system, with the M-18 red lithium power source. So instead of revamping my current Ryobi equipment, I'd go ahead and start fresh with something new and save this Ryobi as just a backup drill, or something that I could hand to one of my helpers that they could use if they don't have their own. So there it is, Milwaukee M-18 2604-22 kit. Thanks everybody for watching.